So what do you do on a cold rainy day when you're stuck in the van? I think he's reinforcing my cooktop box. Exciting content.
Super exciting content. Around and around they go.
So the problem was parts of it fell off this morning, so that's what gave us the idea that something here needed to happen. And Vicky is the ever crafty one. Well, that's a lot of duct tape you're using there.
Less than progress.
Oh, yeah,
more than a wallet. You want to see inside?
Yep.
Let me get your little walker.
Look at that. That's a great job, Vic. I think that'll outlast the stove.
I think so.
See if it'll fit.
Let's see if it'll fit still. Nope. Just joking.
Look at that.
Voila.
That's so great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, now what?
Next craft. Run dress.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
So yesterday we started looking for a campsite around DeGray Lake in Arkansas. We went through several of them, I think 4 or 5, and they were either down really rough, muddy dirt roads, or there was just such sketchy people staying there that we were like, yeah, I don't think we should do this. So we ended up here at Edgewood. It's a lovely Corps of Engineers park, I believe it is. It's $20 a night, and there's hookups, full hookups. So we decided to go ahead and stay here because at least it's on pavement. And sure enough, it rained all night, and it's been raining all day so far. So we've just been kind of hanging out in the vans. Here in a little while, I think we're going to go to town and try and get a couple of supplies and then just come back here for the night. So that's our plan. So I don't know that I would say that I would really recommend this place as far as campgrounds go. I mean, it's okay. There's really nothing wrong with it. But as usual, the sites are really close together. And it's weird. It's reservation only. So we only have about a half a bar of reception here. It took us a really long time to get the site reserved for the night. But there are no actual people like that work here. There's no campground hosts. There's no pay box, nothing like that. So like I said, it's okay, but there's just no reception here. So I think you're supposed to plan ahead before you stay in a place like this. I don't know. Anyway, like I said, it's not too bad. It's real pretty here. And we have kind of a little bit of a view of the lake, but it's like I said, it's raining, so whatever. Good times. So it's supposed to let up in a little while, and we'll go to town. So we've been here at Edgewood Campground just out of Bismarck, Arkansas for a couple of days now. It's been raining, but it's finally cleared up. The sun's come out, and so we decided to get out of our vans for a little while and enjoy the campground. So we're in campsite 51. This is $20 a night, but it's quite a lovely spot. It's the middle of the week, and it's been raining, so of course it's not crowded at all. Vicky's taking Rue for a walk. Or Rue is taking Vicky for a walk. Rue's pretty happy to be out of the van. So there are some folks camped down there and some more camped behind us, but we haven't actually seen them. So we're okay with this. For the most part, this is our view. We've got really tall trees all around us. Gorgeous. What you doing, Rue? Are you exploring?
Now we're gonna get mud, so let's just in this little. Hey, now we gotta go drive cat.
Bye, Rue.
I thought I brought scissors.
They're right there.
I did bring scissors.